Hi, I'm Karen for ExpertVillage. Now we're going to make our biscuit topping for our peach cobbler. We'll start by putting 1 cup of flour into the food processor, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we'll put that into the food processor. And now I also have 1/4 cup of butter or margarine that I've put in the freezer to make it really nice and cold so that it'll cut into the flour nicely. So I'll put that into the food processor, and we'll just pulse that until the flour looks like a coarse meal. Let me show you what that looks like. All of the margarine has been incorporated into the flour. We don't have any big lumps. So now we're ready to add our milk and our egg.